Hey guys, what are we doing today, Noah?
We're going on a nature walk.
A nature walk. How about you, Noah? Don't you know what we're doing today? What are we doing? What? What? Okay, Noah, lead the way.
This way.
This way. Okay, guys, we're going on a nature trail. We're gonna look at some cool things, some different types of trees.
I'm gonna look at snails.
Snails. We're gonna look for some snails. Hopefully, we find some, and we're just gonna go see what we see. Right?
We've been here before.
Yes, we've been on this nature walk before.
And we went to the park here one time.
Yeah, and we can show you the park that we go to. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
What's that? What are you doing?
This is shaky.
This is shaky. Can I feel?
I can almost.
You can't lift that up. Justin, do you think you can lift that?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can lift it.
You can definitely lift it.
Let's see the strong muscle. Oh, I don't think so. I think it's stuck in the ground. Welcome to the East Dawn Trail.
Whoa!
Ooh. What animal is that over there, Noah?
A deer.
Deer.
And they fall off. They fall off in the winter and they grow back in the summer.
Oh, how come one deer has antlers and the other one doesn't?
Because the girl ones don't.
Oh, and the...
And the boys ones do so they can protect themselves.
Cool, I didn't know that. What do we see in the water?
Duckies.
Ducks.
Duckies.
Or geese and ducks.
Where are the geese?
There's no geese.
These are geese.
Oh,
Bigger
so
ones.
Oh yeah, they're actually.
Oh, wow.
And the smaller ones
There's
are
ducks and
Look at that
geese.
one duck coming over.
Well, so look how fast he's paddling.
That's slow.
That's slow?
I can beat it.
Yeah.
What are you doing over there? Probably cooling.
It looks like.
No one. Do you like the duckies? Yeah, and the geese. Wow, let's get a zoom in
right
close.
See a
It's
turd?
right there.
Ew.
Where?
Duck turd.
There.
Yeah, boo!
Hey, you guys are on YouTube.
What sound does a duck make? Quack. What sound?
Look at that one, you guys are underwater.
We're trying to look for some trees.
That
Duck.
one loves
Ducks, can you show us where the trees are? Okay, bye duckies. Let's go.
Look at me.
Whoa.
I'm taller than you. I'm taller than you.
Oh man, you're taller than me.
Are you ready to jump down?
Watch this.
Woo! Spider-Man!
Anime run, go.
Anime run! He's so fun. Noah's a really funny guy. You're gonna love watching his videos.
Ooh, this looks like a good spot for snails maybe. Check under the leaves. Use your hand. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. Nothing here. Search this leaf, Noah.
What a
Noah,
big leaf.
This one.
Nope. Ah!
Let's keep moving.
We don't see any snails, guys.
Wow, look how nice those leaves are.
Wow. Do you guys know why the trees are changing color?
Comment below. Comment below.
Comment below and let us know why the trees are changing colors. Let's see if we can look for more colorful trees. I spot some right back in the distance. Woo! Awesome. I love when the trees change color. It looks so beautiful. Do you guys like when the trees change color? Comment below.
Let's look for logs so we can see any snails on here.
Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna find a big log and we're gonna try to lift it up and see what we can find.
Have these fish in the water right now? Oh, those are salmons.
Yeah.
Salmon swim and move in water. So
It is
and
a
they have to
salmon.
find a way, and they lay their eggs, but they don't. That's all their power, and then they die.
Whoa, come over here, guys. Quickly, look at all these red bugs.
Where?
It's actually super gross. Come look on this side.
Oh, what kind of bugs do you think those are?
Oh, squish them. Squish them. Squish them. Unless they go on me, I'm not squish them. Watch where you're stepping. dead one.
Wow, look at all those colors.
It's changing color.
Beautiful. Hey Noah, did you find anything yet?
But you know that the salmon's in there. Because
Salmon where?
Wild crabs, salmons really like to be in fast water.
Yeah. Wow, that water really is.
And you have to pass a lot of creatures. And you even have to pass bears, so there's bears around there.
Okay.
A hill.
Wow.
I think
That's
there's
a big
part of
hill.
our forest around our house.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Look at this, guys.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Fallen tree.
A fallen tree.
Check this out. Looks
A
like it
tree.
broke the fence. Look at the fence, guys.
Oh, gee.
Wow, this tree must have fell down. It's so windy today. It went right into the river.
Let's see.
Look, it broke the fence.
Yeah, I did. I don't want. Look how big a tree was that. It went right into the river.
Let's keep moving. We gotta find some snails. We're going over a bridge over top of the water.
I think that it's gonna be inside.
Wow, look at the water. See any fish? There's one.
Where?
Wow, look, Nolan. Look, Noah. A rainbow tunnel.
Yeah.
Look at all the colors.
The decorations and stuff.
Let's go look and see what's inside the tunnel.
Man.
Come on.
I know it.
Wow.
Whoa. Snail.
Look, someone walking their dog.
We found a snail. Look. It's a baby one.
We
Baby
found a
one.
snail. Let me see.
Look inside. And I know there's one, but there's sticking on there.
Hey, look, another one.
Oh.
Whoa! God, there's
How
one.
many snails did we find so far, Noah?
Two.
2 snails.
We were looking for snails on the ground, but they're climbing the walls.
They're trying to run away.
Oh my God, look at this one. A giant one. Grab it, Noah.
Giant snails, love them.
Let me see.
Nolan, look over here. Show your brother, Noah.
Giant snail.
Show your brother the snails,
Oh,
Noah.
that one, the one came out already. Very
There's
fun.
Nolan. Look.
Why are you not showing your brother the
You
damn
cannot.
snails?
Move your hand. Let them see.
I need to fix one. Come here.
Okay. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching
The big one came
our video.
out. The big one came out.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and comment below. And we'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed our walk.
Bye.